Hey there, gearheads. Welcome back to Motor Minds, the place where we break down easy car care tips to keep your ride running strong, smooth, and ready for the road. Today's video is a hot one, and we mean turbo hot. If you've got a turbocharged engine or you're planning to buy one, you definitely need to watch this. Turbos bring power, speed, and excitement. But here's the deal, they're high-performance machines, and they need special care. Most people don't realize it, but just a few simple mistakes can slowly destroy your turbo over time. So, don't worry. We're here to help you avoid all of them. Buckle up, smash that like button, and let's jump into the 10 mistakes that destroy turbo engines fast. Mistake number 1. Not letting the engine warm up. Let's kick things off with a really simple but super important habit. Warming up your engine before you drive. When you start your car and hit the gas right away, you're putting a lot of stress on your turbo. At that moment, the engine oil is still cold and thick. Cold oil doesn't flow well, and that means your turbo isn't getting the proper lubrication it needs. And remember, your turbo isn't just spinning, it's spinning crazy fast, up to 200,000 RPM. Without warm oil, the bearings and seals inside the turbo wear out quickly. Over time, that leads to expensive damage or even complete turbo failure. So take it easy for the first 1 to 2 minutes. Let the engine idle. Let the oil warm up and start flowing smoothly. This small habit helps protect your turbo and keeps your engine running longer and stronger. Mistake number 2. Shutting down right after driving hard. Here's another mistake that can ruin your turbo fast. Turning off the engine right after pushing it hard. Let's say you've been racing, towing a heavy load, or driving fast on the highway. Your turbo is now super hot. If you shut the engine off right away, the oil stops flowing, but the turbo is still baking hot. That leftover oil inside the turbo starts to burn, turning into thick, black sludge. This is called oil coking, and it leaves behind hard carbon deposits that block oil flow and wear down your turbo over time. The fix is simple. Just let your engine idle for 1 to 2 minutes after a hard drive. This cools things down. Some people even use a turbo timer to do it automatically. Mistake number 3. Using cheap or wrong oil. Oil is like the turbo's best friend. It keeps things cool, smooth, and protected. But if you use cheap oil or the wrong type, you're asking for trouble. Turbochargers spin really fast, sometimes up to 200,000 RPM, and they get extremely hot. That heat and speed put a lot of pressure on the oil. Only high-quality, fully synthetic oil can handle that kind of job. Cheap oil breaks down faster and can't handle the heat. If the oil gets too thin or too thick, it stops working right. That means your turbo doesn't get enough protection. Over time, this leads to worn-out bearings, oil leaks, or even a blown turbo. To keep your turbo healthy, always use the manufacturer's recommended oil. And don't forget to change it on time. Every 5,000 to 7,500 kilometers is a good habit for turbocharged engines. Treat your turbo right, and it'll last a lot longer. Mistake number 4. Ignoring oil changes. Okay, so maybe you're using the right oil, but if you're not changing it on time, you're still putting your turbo in danger. Oil doesn't last forever. Over time, it gets dirty, picks up dust, metal bits, and even burns slightly under heat. It starts to break down, lose its smoothness, and turn into thick, sticky sludge. And dirty oil just can't do its job. Your turbo needs clean oil to stay cool and well lubricated. It spins really fast, way faster than your engine, and any friction from dirty oil can lead to wear, overheating, and serious damage. So don't just wait for a warning light or dashboard message. Make it a habit to check your oil every few weeks. If it looks dark, thick, or smells burnt, it's time for a change. Stay ahead of it, and your turbo will keep boosting strong for years to come. Mistake number 5. Not letting the turbo cool down. A lot of drivers get this wrong. They think warming up the engine is enough, but cooling it down after driving is just as important, especially with a turbocharged engine. After a long drive, or when you've been speeding or climbing hills, your turbo gets extremely hot. If you stop the car and shut the engine off right away, the turbo stays hot, but oil flow stops. That causes the oil inside to burn, which leads to carbon buildup, faster wear, and even cracks in turbo parts. To avoid this, drive gently for the last few minutes before you park. Let the turbo cool slowly. You can also let the engine idle for a minute before shutting it off. Some drivers even install intercoolers or oil coolers to help control heat. And if your car is tuned or running extra boost, cooling down properly becomes even more important. Mistake number 6. Using low-quality fuel. Turbo engines are designed to run on high-quality fuel. Using low-octane or cheap gas can cause knocking, detonation, and pre-ignition. When fuel burns unevenly under boost, it creates explosive pressure that damages pistons, turbo blades, and even the cylinder head. Don't cheap out here. Always use the recommended octane for your car. If your manual says premium, use premium. The few extra bucks you spend at the pump can save you thousands in engine repairs. And if you want even better performance and protection, consider using fuel additives that clean injectors and remove carbon buildup. Mistake number 7. Overboosting without proper tuning. Everyone wants more power. And turning up the turbo boost sounds like a quick way to get it. But pushing your turbo harder without the right tuning is one of the fastest ways to wreck your engine. When you increase boost, the pressure inside the engine cylinders rises. This adds more heat and stress to all engine parts. If your car's computer, called the ECU, isn't adjusted for this, the air-fuel mix goes off balance, and the ignition timing can get messed up. This can cause something called detonation, which is a violent explosion that damages pistons and valves. If you want more boost, that's great, but you must do it the right way. Get a professional dyno tune to adjust the ECU perfectly. Also, upgrade parts like your fuel system and intercooler to handle the extra power. A proper tune gives you safe power. A bad tune can destroy your engine quickly. Mistake number 8. Bad or clogged air filters. Your turbo needs a lot of clean air to work right. It sucks in huge amounts of air to make power, so the airflow has to be smooth and clean. If your air filter is dirty, clogged, or even leaking, it blocks air from getting in. This makes your turbo work harder than it should. When the turbo works too hard, it gets hotter and less efficient. That means less power for you and more wear on the turbo parts. Even worse, if dust or small debris slips past a damaged filter, it can hit the compressor wheel inside the turbo. This wheel spins incredibly fast and is very delicate. Any damage can cause big problems or even turbo failure. So, check your air filter every few months. If it looks dirty or worn out, replace it. And if you drive in dusty places, think about using a high-performance or washable filter for better protection. Mistake number 9. Bad driving habits. One of the biggest reasons turbos wear out fast is how you drive. Driving style really matters when it comes to turbo health. Some drivers love that powerful turbo boost and keep their foot on the gas all the time. This constant hard pushing makes the turbo spin super fast, creating a lot of heat and stress. Over time, this causes serious wear on both the turbo and engine parts. On the other hand, some drivers always drive slowly or at low RPMs, never letting the turbo spool up. This might sound safe, but it causes carbon buildup inside the turbo. The parts can get sticky and stop working properly. The secret is balance. Drive smart. Give your turbo a good workout sometimes, but don't abuse it. Let it build boost, then back off and let it cool. This way, your turbo and engine stay strong for years. Mistake number 10. Skipping maintenance or modding carelessly. Here's the final mistake, and it's a big one. Skipping regular maintenance or modding your car without a plan. A turbo isn't just one part. It's connected to many systems: hoses, gaskets, vacuum lines, oil lines, and more. If you don't check these parts regularly, small problems like cracks or leaks can pop up. Even a tiny leak in a boost pipe makes the turbo work harder to build pressure. That puts more stress on it and shortens its life. And when it comes to modifications, be smart. Don't just add a bigger turbo, new exhaust, or cold air intake without the proper support. Every part affects how your engine runs, and they need to work together. Follow a clear upgrade plan And always get your car tuned by a professional if you make big changes. Stick to your maintenance schedule and check critical systems like the PCV valve, oil lines, and boost sensors. So let's do a quick recap of the 10 mistakes that destroy turbo engines fast. Not warming up your engine, shutting down too quickly after driving, using the wrong or cheap oil, skipping oil changes, not letting the turbo cool down, using low-quality fuel, overboosting without a tune, neglecting air filters, bad driving habits, skipping maintenance, or modding carelessly. And that's it, folks. If you avoid these 10 common mistakes, your turbo engine will stay strong, run smoother, and last a whole lot longer. You'll get more power, better fuel mileage, and fewer trips to the mechanic. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro, you just need to be a smart, careful driver. If you learned something new today, go ahead and smash that like button. It's free, and it really helps our channel grow so we can keep bringing you more helpful videos. Got turbo questions? Or maybe a story about your own car? We'd love to hear it. Drop a comment below. We read them all. And don't forget to subscribe to Motor Minds for simple car care tips, DIY tricks, and real-world advice that works. Tap on the next video showing on the screen. Until next time, drive safe, boost smart, and keep wrenching.